For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm SHIKHA and welcome back to Be Done Style Under 3, where we help you break down the latest looks of your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Today we're talking about the talk of the town, Kiara Advani, who recently celebrated her birthday and she looked fabulous as always. Here's breaking her look down for y'all. She was seen wearing a white crop top that had a slashing neckline. It was a strappy crop top that she paired with a matching silk slip skirts. Slip skirts are a massive trend after slip tops and slip dresses. The trend has now transcended into skirts, and that's what Kiara was seen wearing. The crop top was a little higher and the skirt was lower, so it gave her a chance to show off her midriff, which also gives a slimming and longer illusion. She styled the look with a pair of nude pumps. I love the fact that she wore nude pumps and did not go over the top with her footwear, so she kept it in the skin tone. She was wearing a pair of nude heels that look fabulous. She also carried a Chanel fanny pack with the look. It was a white fanny pack that she wore across her chest. It had a lot of layers on it, and because the fanny pack was such a statement, she kept the other accessorizing really minimal. So she wore a simple choker with the look, which was a rhinestone choker, and she wore a fresh face of makeup. She was not wearing very loud or dramatic makeup. She was wearing nude lips, and she also wore straight hair with a center part. Also breaking the entire white on white look with the show of skin in between and wearing the nude heels was an amazing touch. But the one problem that I have with the look, I'd say, to put it subtly, is that I was not the biggest fan of the fanny pack that she was carrying. I think it added too much bulk to an otherwise very elegant and slender outfit. So I have a couple of bags picked out here that I think if you want to copy Kiara's look, you guys should try to accessorize your look with. Alright, so the first bag that I have here, as you can see, is not taking the look too far. It's in the white and black family. It's a very muted tone, but at the same time, a lot of trends over here. It has a beautiful oriental print on it. It also has a snakeskin pattern on it, which is again a big trend because animal print is really trending, and it has this silver strap, so it keeps it in the cooler tones as the outfit is white. So I think had she worn it across the body or just slung across and posed with it, had fun with a bag like this, it would have looked really nice. The other option is a bit extreme. Let me show it to y'all. So here I have a really nice mustard colored sling bag. It's sturdy, you can carry all your party essentials in it, and it just instantly adds a pop of color into your look. But at the same time, it's not a red or a pink or a really loud color. It's a really muted, earthy tone. So it goes well with the white separates that Kiara was wearing, and at the same time, it adds a pop of color. It adds a little bit of touch of sunshine into your outfit. So I think this bag is a really cool option. So these were a couple of bag options that you could try if you're going for a look like Kiara Advani. Trust me, a metal strap sling bag works as an accessory too. If you want your outfit to be a statement, then I think a bag like this would work well. That's all we have from today. I'll see you guys next time.